Hello makeup lover and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've already been here before. If not, my name is Malene. I'm a Danish makeup artist living in Barcelona in Spain. For today's two different holiday looks, I pulled out my Sublime Seduction. No, I didn't. I just mixed it up. The Sublime palette, the Mothership II, and the Sunlit Seduction, Mothership XI, of course. Today it's the 24th of December, and what else to do rather than making a video for you with two different holiday looks. I hope I'm not too late. So if you want to see how I did these two different looks, please hang in there and I will show you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or good ideas for future content, please put it in the comment box. And of course, if you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. It'll be an honor to have you join. Now, let's go ahead and do some makeup, shall we? Dipped into the lightest shade in the Sublime palette with my flat defining brush, flat definer, and I'm going to use that color as a highlighter under my brow here, on the brow bone. Dipped into the emerald shade in the Sublime palette with my Builder Pro, and I'm just pressing it on here. And yeah, the green is very Christmassy, but actually this color is changing. It's like a duochrome kind of color, so upon movement it will turn into something purple. So I'm not going all in for the Christmassy thing, okay? When seeing how it gave a little bit of cast, I kind of regretted that I didn't put on any loose powder, so I did that. And now I'm gonna give it a little bit of the intensifiers here in the inner corner, in the inner third. Dipped into the golden-ish, peach-ish kind of color from the Sunlit Seduction, and I'm going to use that here on my inner third, and I'm going to just blend it into the middle. Like so. I don't think I've heard a lot of people talking about the long wear liquid eyeshadow from Pat McGrath, the Fetish Eyes. And that's a shame because it's actually really pretty. I'm going to use a green one here between the two different colors I just put on. And I'm just going to pat it on here with my ring finger. Like so. Dip my Blender Pro into the copper tone eyeshadow from the Sublime palette. And I'm just going to use that up here as some kind of a transition shade, but I'm gonna use it here at the end of the look. Instead of normally you put the transition shade, that's the one you start with for a lot of looks at least. But I wasn't really sure what I was gonna do. A lot of times when I do a look, I might have a couple of ideas, but I'm not really sure exactly what I'm gonna do and how I'm gonna do it. So for this reason, I skipped the transition color until last. I took the Divine Champagne color in the liquid Fetish Eyes eyeshadow and mixed that into the red, the very hated color from the Sunlit Seduction. To make a liner for the under eye. Oh, I'm doing it again. I'm bending down. Sorry. It took away a little bit of the super red. So of course I have to dip into the red and try and see if I can make it a little bit more concentrated here. Yeah. Now we're talking. Sitting here, fingers crossed that I don't get the red specks all over my face because I dusted off the loose powder, as you can see. On my refer number 3, I dipped into the highlighting color from the Sublime palette, and I'm going to use that as an inner corner highlight here. I feel like this look can use an eyeliner, so I'm going to give it just that. The usual black liquid eyeliner from Pat McGrath. I'm just going to primarily focus on the outer half of the mobile eyelid here. Back with a little bit of mascara on, and so far it's not super Christmassy, but it's still a Christmas look. I'm now going to put on some false lashes. Back with some eyelashes on, and also a little bit of green color on my waterline. I'm going to show you what I used. I actually used an eyeshadow stick from Kiko Milano, like this. I'm now going to go on to the next eye. I'm going to start out by putting on a highlighter under my brow here. And I'm using the same as I did for the other eye look, and that's the highlighting shade from the Sublime palette. To start out this look, I am gonna, well, I already started, but my transition shade is gonna be the Sienna. Oh wow, I guess I dipped into that a little too heavy. The Sienna shade from Sunlit Seduction. Well, I think I'm just gonna dust off my Blender Pro a little bit here. On the side, I'm just trying to dust some of the color off, because that was a little bit too heavy. Now I'm going to blend it upwards and a little bit outwards, like so. Still using the same, but now without anything on it to blend out this color. Yeah, we can work with this for sure. I was like, uh-oh. But hey, that's what happens sometimes. No one's perfect. Just takes a little bit more work here. Dipped into the VR shade. I don't remember what it's called. Maybe VR Nectar or something like that. And it's kind of a pinkish golden shade, and I'm gonna put that on the border here. Let's just make it Christmas. Dipped into the darkest color in the Sunlit Seduction. I'm using my soft definer brush from Sona G, and I'm just putting that here in my crease, as you can see, and going back and forth. And onto the mobile eyelid here in the outer corner, just a little bit. Let's amp this up a little, shall we? Putting on some primer, the Eye Fetish Intensifies. Now I keep saying fetish. I have fetish on my mind because of the liquid eyeshadow and the mascara. So the mobile eyelid is now packed with primer, ready for some action. Dip into the red shade from the Sunlit Seduction, and I'm just tapping it on here on the outer part with my ring finger, as you can see. Dipped into the same color again, and this time I'm gonna press it on to my inner, my inner corner here, my inner part of the eyelid. And as you can see, it wasn't supposed to go there, but we can fix that. Of course we're gonna put some green on this eye look also. So I dip my ring finger into the Blitz Emerald shade from the Sublime. And I'm gonna put that here in the middle. I'm just pressing it on ever so gently. Like so. Gotta put on some liquid eyeliner while I still think about what I'm going to do with the under eye. And also to show you that you can stop here, well, I'm just going to give it some mascara and show you what it looks like. If you feel like it's already a little bit out there and you don't want to go further. This is what it looks like with a little bit of mascara on. I'm still considering if I want to put something under my eyes. And for now, I'm going to put on some false lashes so you can see what it looks like with false lashes. I ended up deciding to put on a little bit of the sienna color under my eyes after having put on a little bit of foundation under my eyes just to see what it looked like. And I felt like something was missing, not only the mascara, but a little bit of color. So now, with a full eye makeup look with some color under the eyes, with some mascara under the eyes and the false lashes, I think we're done here with this look. I'm now going to go off cam and put on a full face of makeup so you can see what these two different looks look like with a full face of makeup. This is it. This is the finished look with a full face of makeup. I'm now going to put on my glasses and go through what I have on my face. As a foundation, I'm using the Light Medium 8 from Pat McGrath Labs. And I bronzed up a little bit today with the Nude Honey bronzer from Pat McGrath. On my cheeks, I am actually wearing the two more reddish pinkish colors from the Bridgerton 2 blush palette collection. And as a highlighter, I am using the two lightest colors, the pinkish kind of color and the golden kind of color from the trio of highlighters. It's still on the website actually right now, so you can still get it. It's my favorite one. On my lips, I put on a little bit of Vengeance lip liner, and then I use the Elson because what else can you use when it's a Christmas look? You have to do something red, right? So these are the two different Christmas look I came up with, or holiday looks. And if you like them, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or good ideas for future content, please put it in the comment box. And of course, last, if you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. It will be awesome to have you join. I want to thank you so much for taking your time out of your day to watch this video, and I wish you an awesome day and Merry Christmas and an awesome New Year. Thank you so much. Bye.